Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I will tell you that how you can get premium themes for free. In this video I will show you a website from where you can download the premium themes for free. So let's start by going to the website. First you need to search for sign ads in your browser and then click the first link that you get in your browser. Okay, so here we get our sign ads website dashboard. So you need website page. Now let's say you need to get this WP Rocket plugin for free. Now click on free download and go down until you found a link that shows that you can download the files from here. So if you see here, you can get this WP Rocket plugin speed optimization file from here. Now click on download. First, we are going to open our website here, brtechworld.com. Let me open the admin page. Here, the guys have also provided a tutorial that you can download the file from here, and you need to install the plugin that is WP Rocket from your own website. Okay, so they have provided the tutorial, whole tutorial. You can watch the tutorial that how you can do this. But in this video, I'm also going to explain you. You need to download the file from here. Okay, the file is now installed. Now go to your website login page. Okay, now go to plugins area. Click on add new. Click on upload plugin. Now we need to select our zip file. So this is the zip file for WP Rocket plugin. Now click on install now. Okay, now go down and check the plugin is actually downloading or not. Now click on activate the plugin. Now search for the plugin that you just installed, that is WP Rocket. Now click on settings. Now you are clear that you get a plugin for free. And now let me show you one more thing, that go to this tools option. Click on browse and download and upload the file that you installed from this website, that is science ad. Upload file and import settings. This will also help you to improve your website speed. Okay, so after doing all these changes, you need to make sure that you save everything. Okay, it says that settings file filled incorrect name. Let's import again. Okay, so this time our file is imported and it says setting imported and settings saved. So this is how you can use sign ads website to get the premium themes and premium plugins. I showed for the premium plugins. You can do the same for the premium plugins as well. Okay, this WP Rocket plugin helps you to improve your website speed. So if you see here, there is no change in website layout, and if you go and check the speed of your website after doing these, then you will be able to see the changes that your website is doing better than the before. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if it was really, then make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.